cross this bridge right over us.
So it's not on these tracks right next to us?
No.
No. It's gonna go across the bridge up there.
Yeah. It's super close.
I hear the rails. Cool, huh? See the rocks like right on the edge? There should be an engine behind it, right?
No, it wasn't, because I saw that the other train that when we were coming here, it was stacker cars. This one doesn't have stacker cars.
No.
It's a mixed train.
Okay, here's a bike. Stay here. Okay, you guys want to walk?
Yeah.
You want to brave it?
This is dangerous.
Think so? Okay, come on, baby girl. Let's hurry up. Don't let a rock fall on our heads. Come on, Spike.
Watch.
Okay.
It's long.
Hang on.
Oh God. I don't want to get near it. There's a big train.
Here, take him.
Let's run under the bridge again.
Huh? Oh, what is that? What is that thing doing?
I've never seen that anything. I was about to say, what if those gas cars derail right here? Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.